If someone asks me who is the luckiest person in this world, I simply say that whenever you have any problem or you have any opportunity, you must have a choice. It's the luckiest form of our life. Sometimes we walk on the road, there isn't any choice that we have to select any path that's possible for us. But whenever we are selecting any path that goes on, and without thinking, we are walking on it, without a destination, then life runs, but we can't get whatever we wanted to. It's human nature that everyone in this world is afraid of hurdles, but we can't realize that hurdles are only to increase your potential. Hurdles just to show us that how much strength we have, how much potential we have, and how much we can walk with these hurdles. You have seen many wisest persons in this world that they always keep plan. Whenever they realize that their plan A is not successful, they always use their plan B. And second plan, their second plan always works because they realize that if one plan doesn't work, then second will be the option for them. Remember that choice is just like a cricket game. Whenever a ball balls, we always try to hit it. If we miss it, then second ball comes, third, fourth, in that way, sixth ball, whatever we want to, wherever we want to hit, and wherever we want to reach, we can reach. It's a choice. Choice works for those who work hard, but those who are not working hard, they only realize that everything will come in their hand without thinking, without any hard work, then they always remain fail. Wherever you are working now, choice is always with you. Whenever you are finding the choice, you should work on it. Whenever you realize that some people are not working, but you only are trying to be best, then you have to be successful, not only to show them, but because whenever you are successful, you are powerful, and you can trust yourself that you can do anything. That is the best point in your life. Whenever opportunity is given to you, you should get it. You should find out positive aspects of that choice. When you work continuously, one day you will be one of those who are successful. Successful people are not defeated by the hurdles.